Hey, I'm Christina Deloma with Tip of the Trade. Today's tip is how to master framing when it comes to a video call. So when you are framing a video call, you want to have something called headspace or headroom. And that means that there's a little bit of space or room between the outer edge of the frame. And this is because other people's screens can be different, and if you allow for that extra space there, you're not going to run into the possibility of having some of your head chopped off. So the rule of thirds essentially takes a frame and it separates it into thirds. So going horizontally, I'm going to draw two lines this way in my frame. So there's 1, 2, 3. And then I'm going to do the same thing, two lines this way. So it's 1, 2, 3. Now the cool thing is, if you have those grid marks on most phones, which they do, you can easily set it up to have that rule of thirds in there. And a cool thing that I like to do as a trick is I try to have my eyesight lined up with that top third grid line. And that really is an easy way by default to have enough headspace on the top. Another thing that we like to say is, in case you're doing a digital segment or a TV appearance or a podcast, oftentimes they'll put a little lower third right here for your name or your business, and you want to make sure it doesn't accidentally cut off your chin or your mouth. So leave that room for any type of graphics that may appear, and of course plenty of headspace, and get the artist vibe by utilizing that composition rule of thirds. That was today's tip of the trade, and I'm Christina Deloma. Stay tuned for more.